Sarah, and today I am prepping to go to Hawaii. It's currently Saturday and I leave early on Monday, and it'll be a long travel day, but I've never been to Hawaii, so I'm researching everything. I'm gonna try not to overpack, but I might. I ordered some things to be prepared for my trip, so right now I'm gonna open those packages and show you what I got. Never in my life did I think I would be getting these, but Tevas. These are the Hurricane Drift sandals, and everyone said that these were the best for Hawaii, that they're good for sand, for water, for climbing over rocks, mild hiking. So I thought I should just get over myself and just get some. They're not the cutest, but they're functional. Next, I've been delaying packing for these to come. I used to always think they were overrated, but for this trip, I thought it would be very helpful. I got packing cubes, especially with having a bunch of swimsuits. I always feel so disorganized on any beach trips because I just have one piece here, one piece there, nothing matches, and it's just so hard to find. So I thought that this would be really helpful. So I'm gonna open this up soon and then get out my suitcase, start packing. My plan now is to do some laundry. This is something that I always try to time out at least 2 days before leaving, because a lot of stuff, if you don't dry it, you wanna make sure that it actually gets dry in time for your trip. Okay, so lately, instead of buying cover-ups, I've been retiring my old sundresses and using them as beach cover-ups. So this is one of the ones, and this is another one. I feel like this one looks Hawaii-like. And then for actual dresses, I am bringing a few. This dress, I felt like was gonna be so in this year because it looks so Barbie. That was my theme for picking all of these things. My theme is Barbie because I know that's gonna be like the trend of the spring, summer. It's just getting more and more by the day. This dress just looked so like Barbie to me, like literally just screamed Barbie. So I knew it would be in, and sure enough, all of the stores are having these things nowadays. So this dress I am definitely bringing. I think it's so fun for Hawaii. It's from Altered State. Floral, the bottom is kind of flowy, kind of a chiffon-like material, so very summery and light. Another dress I'm bringing. This one is from a shop called No Rest for Bridget in California. A navy with little like white flowers. Really fun, the strap's tied. Anyways, okay, and then this next is a skirt outfit, but it's this white with like kind of a material looking thing, and then a matching skirt. And this is from Emery Park. You can wear this white top with the matching white skirt, or I can wear this white top with these fun black pants. They are flowy, they're like a really light material for summer. Really great, love these pants. They're from Z Supply. The skirt, this one's from Altered State. It's white and it has these little flowers. And I was thinking this top, it's also from Altered State. It's like a floral off the shoulder. And so I was thinking I could wear the top with the skirt probably. Or potentially, I don't know about this, but maybe do a full like chambray look and do, maybe that doesn't, no, I think it could work. Maybe, I can maybe, no, I feel like the lines and lines. I guess I'm probably gonna have to bring just like a general jean skirt with this top, but yeah, I'll bring this top. The other top, everyone has this top. I'm sure you've seen it before. It's from Free People and it comes in a bunch of different colors, but they are great. So I was thinking I could wear it with this skirt. I'm there for 8 days total, so I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sundresses, and then I have 1, 2, 3, 4 top skirts combos. 5 plus 4 is 9. Okay, I think I might have enough. But I don't know what the vibe will be. I was gonna have extra. I might want to wear something like, no, okay, I have 9 nice outfits. I don't need any more. Anyway. Anyways. So that sums up all of my dinner outfits. So now on to swimsuits, workout clothes, clothes for like the daytime, being in the car, sightseeing, those types of outfits. That is my next mission. Billabong swimsuit. The bottoms are the same. And then this Billabong swimsuit, kind of similar. I'm just gonna take a black swimsuit. This one's kind of ribbed. I think this top is from Hollister and the bottoms are from Aerie. This swimsuit is Maji. It's like striped with these, and then the back is like this floral. And all of Maji is reversible, I'm pretty sure, for the most part. And so on one side it's striped to match the top, but then on the other side it's this really pretty bright blue. So you can wear it either way. And I actually got that one from Nordstrom Rack along with this one. So this is also Maji. So on one side it's just solid red, and then on the other side it's this floral. I'm like, 8 days. How do I have a swimsuit for 8 days? It's a lot of swimsuits. I thought that I was good on swimsuits, but now I'm like, wow, this is a lot of time. For the first time, my suitcase all packed and ready. I have my outfit laid out for the morning.